So, we've come to Rutland Water to have a look, see if we can get a... Where's the train trip, Deb? A boat trip and a train trip. We'll see what's here. Look at this, Rutland Wet Park or something. They seem to be going up there. They seem to be hiring wetsuits. And then let's go and play in the water time. Oh, that's interesting. We jump about and look, come down the ski and fall in the water. Another one there, look. Blimey, there's a whole load of boats to hire here. So you can hire boats as well. Oh dear, This is somewhat interesting. These people, these are funny. Look at these people. Keep a look. Now he's pumping out. Very funny. Watch him go. And he'll get going, and the thing will stick up out the water. Watch him. They fall over quite a lot. Yeah, are you watching him? Here he goes. Look, he's got. See how he shakes it. And he's up and going. Can you see? He's up and going. He's on a hydrofoil. So the actual thing is out of the water. Can you see that? And then they crash. That's right. Look. You see him there? Wow. It's a huge piece of water, isn't it? Didn't you say it was the biggest in Europe? Rutland Water. Biggest man-made. Right, we'll come back to them. There he is. Can you see him? Have you got wind? Slight.
Yeah.
There he goes, look. They're going at some... here he comes, look at that. Put your hand away. He's changed direction. Look, watch, he's going to crash. Watch him, any minute now he's going to crash. Clever, isn't it? And they're going to fight some, they're coming around. Oh, here he goes! Oh, that was a crash. That was a big bump. Here we are. Now look at him. Yeah, he's there, but he'll soon get himself up and get going again. Look at that now. Here he comes. Keep watching. Watch him, here's the bump. Wow. Here we are. Keep an eye on him. The gust of wind, he's going to help his friend, possibly. Moving away. Here he goes. Fixed sail on that one. I found a funny pheasant.
It's not a pheasant.
No, what is it?
It's a peacock. Because...
Do you want... Oh yeah, that's the tail, isn't it? Do you want that for your garden?
It's a bit big, Reg. I'm not saying I like it. I'll get 100.
Do you know what? It's actually simply built, look. Feet, pipe. This is a circle. This is simply a circle, isn't it? Centre here going round that way. Wicker. This neck you'd sort of have to shape, wouldn't you, and have to make a head like this. And you'd cover it in this. That's bamboo or whatever the hell it is, right? Come around here. Rebar. This is the circle in there, look. And then you'd have to sort of get some rebar, bend it to a square, and then all it is then behind is like a big tail, and then you'd put earth on it, wouldn't you? It's a good idea. It's a pheasant. What did it say? It's not because it doesn't. Does it hold up something? Is it held up? Oh yeah, look. There is a bottom to it. So this is like a wooden surface, a wooden box type surface. There. So it's just like a triangle, like a wheelbarrow. What does it say? This feature was planted by volunteers. That's giving me a Debbie. We could make a smaller version of it, couldn't we? No, and that's not a turkey. It's a pheasant. Your lemon. I got washers for eyes, haven't I? That's an idea. Just start with the barrel first. Think of a chest. Then put a neck and a head and a long nose on it. Then another bit of a barrel end here, and then put a triangle behind it in a box for a sort of flower pot type thing. Simple idea. Thinking, wanting and doing are all different things, aren't they?
But I didn't know where. I think so.
We've come to visit Queenie.
I like about flowers.
Very good, really good, doesn't it? And the corgis.
1977, weren't
Eh?
we? We were with her in 1977.
Yeah, we were with her in 1977. A long time ago. Bloody hell. It is, yeah. What's it say on it, Deb? Erected as a tribute. Over 22.
As a tribute to Her late Majesty through public subscription
Yeah.
for the Rutland people.
That is great, isn't it? Yeah.
Should you see some statues?
See, what's wrong with being patriotic? Yeah, Deb, what's wrong with being patriotic? It's sort of out of fashion and oh, it's rude to be patriotic. There's nothing wrong at all in being patriotic and wanting to be British. And yeah, you know, they don't pay taxes and they're richer than us and all that. But that's what she can't help where she was born and how she was brought up. So she's our queen, isn't she? Or she was our queen. And we should be patriotic about our country. Yeah. And anybody, all these doubters, all these people that are not patriotic and don't want to be British, we'll put them against the wall and shoot them.